Boxing up more veneers. It's a pair of the book match pair of walnut burl, as seen in the last video. Somebody bought another pair. There's a Waterfall Bamboo. Nice, interesting color on that one. It's a little dark. It still has a nice carmine rose color to it. Here's some of the wide curly walnut sheet. I'll be listing more of those on putting them on eBay. Thin wood and old tools. A single sheet of curly maple. Some fumed curly oak. And again, one of my favorite veneers. It's a East Indian laurel, heavily curl figure to this. You can find all these veneers and more on my eBay store, Thin Wood and Old Tools, on Amazon under Volpe Woodworks, on Etsy at Volpe Woodworks, on my website, volpewoodworks.com. If you'd like to know more about any particular veneer you see in the video, or like to have some assistance in selecting a veneer for your next woodworking project, please reach out to me at tom@volpewoodworks.com.